What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Nike Blazer Low 77 Off-White. Let's get into it.
This is Virgil music.
First, as you see, it has this nice box. It has a black Nike check on the top with the little hole on the top of the box. On the side of the box, we got several little different holes also. This side, you got some more holes. And then on this side of the box, you got your off-white, normal off-white symbol. And then on the front of the box, it reads Blazer Low 77 Off-White, and the colorway is black, and electro green. Let's get into this box. We open it up. First, on the inside of the box, you see it got this nice cream white tissue paper that says Nike Off-White going all over the tissue paper, which is a nice touch to the shoe. And then we're going to take out the main ingredient of the video, and that is the Nike Blazer Low 77 Off-White. Alright, first of all, let's get into it. This is another hate it or love it shoe. You know, everyone doesn't really care for the Blazers, let alone they don't care for all these different holes that's going on throughout the shoe. But personally, me, as you know, I like things that are different. So these, of course, I like them just because they're different. And yeah, it's an off-white, so you can't never go wrong with off-white, as they say. So let's get into the aspects of the shoe. All right, first, as we can see, we got this all nice leather black shoe. All black leather, nice quality leather, very nice quality. And as you can see, you had these nice holes all going all through the shoe, as they would call it, Swiss cheese holes going through the shoe, which is a very nice touch to the shoe. They're open, unlike the Jordan 5 Off-Whites. They have holes also, but they had a little shield over it. These don't have any shields. They just, you can see straight through it. So beware of what kind of socks you wear with these when you do wear them, because your socks will show, or if you don't wear any socks, your feet are going to show. So just beware of that when you wear the shoe, but perfectly fine with me. I love the aspect of the shoe, and I have different pairs of socks I will probably throw on with it just to bring them out even more. So I like that part of the aspect, and it's good. So cool with me. But yeah, that's the all leather with the holes going through it, and you got this nice black rubber come across the bottom of the shoe. And then we get into the back of the shoe that has this little piece that everyone really doesn't like. I've seen a lot of people actually take them off of their shoes. I don't know why you would do that, but I mean, to each his own. But of course, I'm going to leave mine on there because that's what brings the shoe out and makes it different. It's one of its own, so that's why I'm going to keep it on there. I like the way it looks. But as we know, this little piece right here, you got your nice green color. It's like a, I would say like just a regular green, come across with the little hues of this blue going across the bottom of the shoe. They said that this right here came from the model, the Nike Terra Humara. So that's just where he got the aspects of these little part right here on the back of the shoe, which is different. I don't know where he got this little part right here from, because I haven't really seen any shoes with that on it. But of course, we know Virgil, he was different, so that's why he did it. Rest in peace, Virgil. But hey, he had a different mind, and that's why he had all these all-whites looking the way they did, because he just was different. And of course, I mean, I love different. So that's where this came from, the Nike Terra Humara. That's what that little piece was coming from. That's what he was thinking about when he put that part on the shoe. But anyway, let's get to the rest of the shoe. You got your normal shoestrings right here. They lime green shoestrings coming up the shoe. Also, then on the tip of it, it says shoelaces, which every off-white lace usually has on there. It has shoelaces right here. Then it also has your black shoelaces coming up the shoe also. That says shoelaces also, which is a nice touch to the shoe. I like the way he always had those different laces going on the top. It just brings the shoe out even more. It look exactly like the Dunks that came out. I just like this little aspect of the shoe because it makes it look different. We're gonna get to the tongue of the shoe. It says Nike Off. And then you have that orange Nike check, and then you can see where it would have been a little circle right here that's cut off. I like the way they have like the, when you cut the tag, you can see the insides of the shoe right here. So I like that aspect on top of the tongue, and you can also see it going on through the inside of the shoe also, which is different. I like the way that looks. We're gonna get to the inside of the shoe. This one just has the hand, which is the Virgil hand that used to be on there for the off-white. Back of the shoe, you got your Nike right here on the back of the shoe. You have this little tag right here, a little black tag on this side of the shoe. We're gonna get to this side of the shoe. It says off-white for Nike, Nike Blazer Low, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. Right here, this little tag that's on mostly all of the off-whites, which is nice. We're gonna go to the bottom of the shoe. You got your all black leather bottom of the shoe, normal blazer bottom, which is nice. And then you got this little canvas black coming around the shoe also, which is a very nice touch to the shoe. Overall, like I said, this is a very nice shoe. It's different. It came out with the black colorway and the white colorway. I got the black. I got the white ones on the way because I just had both of them, and I just like them both because they're different. And like I said, yeah, it's just a nice shoe that was created by Virgil. Then you still had this little tag right here that said made in China right here also on the shoe. This was the right shoe. Let's get to the left shoe. Looks the same as that way. Pretty much you got your all black rubber coming across the bottom of the shoe with this little with this little hemp thing on the bottom of the shoe that's green. And then you got your little hand, your blue with your little tongue, well not your tongue, your little pokey thing right here on the back of the shoe. We're gonna get to all these different holes that's going on throughout the shoe, which is a nice touch. You can see straight through all the holes, your nice black leather all the way around the shoe with your lime green shoestrings right here. Like I said before, they say shoelaces on the tips of it. Then you got your black shoestrings right here also that says shoelaces on them shoestrings also. Always just a nice touch to the shoe. I think I've seen some people that they actually took the green laces out and put in some blue ones, and it really looked nice. So if you are very creative and you find some nice laces that you think would go nice with these, like especially those blue ones, it brought the shoe out even more, even though it just don't have the little off-white, shoelaces things on it. But you know, anything to change the shoe up, it looked nice. We got the tongue, it says Nike off with your orange Nike check going on the inside. And the inside of this shoe has the normal off-white face on the inside of the shoe. And then on the bottom of the shoe, you got your all black rubber coming across the bottom of the shoe. And then on this shoe, you have your little tag, your normal, typical off-white tag that comes on mostly all the off-white shoes. And it seems like it's a little like a Velcro type material going on top of the tag. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like Velcro material, very nice touch to the shoe. To me, this is like the key thing to all off-whites is this. I know some people don't like to keep theirs on, but this I would definitely keep on just because it's like the signature of the off-white. So I like it, and I'm gonna definitely keep mine on there. And yeah, that's pretty much. And then you still got that same black canvas coming across the side of the shoe also. And this, like I said, it's just a very nice colorway. It's black. You can't never go wrong with black, and this lime green, it makes the shoe, brightens it up. It stands out even more. Like I said, nice shoe for the spring, summer, anytime. Just a nice shoe to wear, period. Because I like blazers. If you like blazers, then you'll definitely like these because they fit just like any other blazer. Sizing wise, I would say stick true to size. I wouldn't go up a half a size just because they're kind of long. But if you have a wide foot, you can go up a half a size if you have a wide foot just for that extra comfort. But other than that, stay true to size on these and you should be good to go. Like I said, it fits just like any other blazer. So if you have a pair of blazers, whatever size you got in those, you can get the same size in these and fit the same as that way. But yeah, that's pretty much it for these. Then you still got that normal made in China tag on this right here also. Like I said, it came out August 8th for retail for $140. They came out on a Nike site and on the Off-White site. Wasn't able to hit on either one of those, but I got lucky and I was able to hit on the social status site that came out the other day, and they just happened to have a restock. So I was lucky enough to grab these on a restock for retail because I didn't want to pay resale for them. So since I was able to get retail, I had to go for them. The white ones I was able to get, I had to get resale, but unfortunately I only had to pay $10 over. So I wasn't mad about that. So yeah, I got the white ones coming. I'm gonna do my review on the white ones as soon as I get those in. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for these. The Blazer Low 77 Off-White. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Did you try to go for them? Did you pass on them? I know a lot of people didn't like them. They didn't like the holes, and they especially didn't like this little piece on the back. So y'all let me know what y'all think about them. Would you wear these or would you not wear them? Me personally, I'll wear them. I like them. They different, so you know, anything different, I'm all for it. And plus, it's a blazer. Like, blazers are super comfortable. So it was a no-brainer for me to go and try to cop these. But y'all let me know what y'all think about them. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. It's the Nike Blazer Low 77 off-white. That's it. Continue to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see when I make all my videos, hit all my posts. Continue to follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.